Hi, I'm Brendan from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the youth stool on the Graco Table2Table Lux Highchair. Start in infant booster mode, then remove the tray. Thread the harness straps through to remove from the seat. Flip the toddler booster upside down and return the straps to the storage area. And slide the storage doors fully closed. Now remove the seat back by squeezing the recline lever and twisting the knob at the bottom of the seat back to the left at the same time while pulling up. Then remove the seat pad. Add the upper legs back onto the high chair. Add the footrest in between the two front leg slots, and then screw the lower legs back on. Now you are ready to use your youth stool.